What's going on? Nick here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2016 Harley Davidson CVO Pro Street Breakout. And the Pro Street Breakout compared to the normal Breakout, it's got the headlight cowl. It's got the scoop on the lower end, drag style handlebars. Just gives it a more tougher look. And this CVO Pro Street has the Starfire black paint, beautiful thick pinstripe, Screaming Eagle 110-inch, fuel injected V-twin, and a 6-speed transmission. It's got the Screaming Eagle heavy breather, and it's got the Bassani 2-1 pipe. There's a few small marks on the exhaust itself. Bike's in excellent condition. There's the smallest little scratch on the strut by the bolt there. It's got forward controls, and the bike is set up for a solo rider. It didn't come in with the passenger seat. It does have the pegs, and I'm sure you can find that seat for not too much money if you need it. The bike's got factory security. It's even got electronic cruise control and ABS brakes. Dual discs on the front. Good stopping power for this bike. It's got the LED Daymaker headlight. It's got good rubber front and rear. And it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and we gave it a professional detail. Most everything's blacked out on this bike. Got your battery tender pigtail installed, side mounted plate, fat rear tire. It's got the flush mount gas cap, and only 1,897 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures on this bike. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.